Hello! Sorry for the random lack of posting. It's been an interesting year, but we are here today. I have a commission to do, which is an adorable Jellycat toast. So that's gonna be fun. So that's what we're doing today. First, I started by making the white part of the bread and shaping it into a loaf shape. Then I took a darker brown for the crust and wrapped it all the way around the white part. My favorite part is getting to make the bread look fluffy, and this is a technique I learned when I was maybe 12, maybe 10, I don't know. And I used to use it on macaroons and cakes and things like that. And so when I saw this guy and the fluffy like crust part of it, I just knew that I would have fun with this. So I'm using this pointy metal tool. I'm just going in swirls, kind of like this. Just dragging it along the surface and see it, just do that along the entire outside. You don't want to go too deep, otherwise you're going to start getting these big chunks that come off. You just want to scratch on the surface. I've personally found that doing it in little circles makes it look more even, but then I added on its little legs with an even darker brown color. I made these by shaping the feet and then adding a log of brown clay on for the leg. Then I added that cute little Jellycat face with black clay before finishing the texture on the crust. I went ahead and baked the charm in the oven for about 20 minutes before letting it cool and glazing it with Sculpting gloss glaze. So here he is. I hope he looks kind of like the picture. The glaze is still drying, but there's the keychain. He should be all secure. And these are pretty thick, so I'm hoping that he will hold up. But he's super shiny. It's still drying, but it should be pretty protective. And yeah, there he is. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe. Again, we are so close to 100,000 and I'd really like to hit that number by maybe the end of this year. It would be a good Christmas gift. And let me know if there are any other Jellycats or things in general that you want to see me make a video on. I'm happy to make absolutely anything. Thank you for watching!